such that 10, 24, n forms an acute angled triangle. This is the question. In my previous video, I discussed how to find the integral values of a third side if it forms a triangle. Now today I will discuss what if the question is an acute angled triangle. Now we will solve the question in 3 steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 1, we will check how many values n is taking if it forms a triangle. Step 2, we will check what happens if n is the largest side. Step number 3, what will happen if n is not the largest side. 3 steps, we will combine step 1, step 2, step 3, we will get the answer. Step 1, first it should form a triangle. 10, 24, n should form a triangle. For 3 sides to form a triangle, what should be the third side? Variable. It should lie between the difference between 2 sides and sum of 2 sides. So 24 minus 10 less than n less than 24 plus 10. That means 14 less than n less than 34. This is the domain of the variable n because it forms a triangle, right? Step number 2. N, the third side we don't know. We will call it as the largest side. Now for our effective understanding of the concept, what I will do is I will take it as a right angle triangle. Then what is a acute angled triangle? Theta should be less than 90. So what I do is first I take theta 90 and I will find out the value. Then I will make the necessary changes. So what if n is the hypotenuse? Because n should be the largest side. Largest side in a right angle triangle is the hypotenuse. 10, 24, n. Draw a right angle triangle. According to Pythagorean triplet, n square equivalent to 10 square plus 24 square. So n square equivalent to 100 plus 576. N square equivalent to 676. N value will be 26. Now listen carefully. Now the right angle triangle will become 10, 24, 26. Now according to the question, it is an acute angle triangle. Height will be like this. N value 10, height will be like this. This is for 90. If it is acute angled triangle, theta should be less than 90. That means the height will move to the right side. If the height is moving to the right side, the hypotenuse value will decrease. That means if it is a right angle triangle, n is 26. If it is an acute angled triangle, n will be less than 26. I hope it is clear. Step number 3. What is step number 2? N is the largest side. Step number 3. N is not the largest side. So if n is not the largest side, assume m to be an height. If I take the n to be height, the figure will become n, 10, 24. Apply Pythagorean triplet. N square plus 10 square equivalent to 24 square. N square equivalent to 576 minus 100. N square equivalent to 476. 476 means n equivalent to 21 point something. Now again think logically. This is n, this is 10 and this is 24. In an acute angled triangle, this height line will go to the right side. If the value will go to the right side, hypotenuse value will decrease, but this value, height value, will increase. If the height value is increasing, that means n will be greater than 21 point something. What are the 3 conditions that we got? 14 less than n less than 34. What is the next value? N is less than 26. What is the third value? N is greater than 21 point something. N is greater than 21 point something. N is less than 26. What are all the values that will satisfy? 22, 23, 24, 25. For it to become an acute angled triangle. I hope the concept is clear. Now, after watching this video, a viewer will get a doubt. What will happen if the triangle is an obtuse angled triangle? Keep watching my next video to understand this concept very clearly. Keep watching ANC YouTube channel to solve aptitude problems faster than a calculator or without using a pen. Thanks a lot.